no? Huh? What do you want? Why can't you just be a normal boy and let your parents do what they want to do? What is that supposed to mean? Nothing. Why? What are we supposed to do? Huh? Help me, help you, help me. What do you want? Huh? Tell me. What? Huh? What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Huh? What are we supposed to do? Huh? 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 What? You're insane. You're insane. You're not even yourself right now. You're not even yourself. What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Makai, who are you? Why are you doing this? Oh my God. Who are you? Why are you doing this? Why?